Hello, emotionally intelligent ones. Today we are learning one of the most powerful skills ever. We are learning how to express our needs and wants the right way. You have a voice, and here we are going to teach you how to use your voice smartly, kindly, and honestly. Have you watched other videos in this playlist? Make sure you do so for your learning and enjoyment. Let's dive right into this video. What are needs? Needs are things that you must have to feel safe, calm, healthy, and okay. Examples of needs are water, food, rest, safety, space, comfort. What are wants? Wants are things that you would like to have, but you can survive without them. Examples of wants are toys, your favorite snack, extra playtime, or your turn on the swing. Both needs and wants are important. There are ways to express your needs and wants. Let's examine why it is important to express your needs and wants. You need to talk about your needs and wants because people are not magicians. People are not mind readers. It is when you speak out that you can get the support you require. It also fosters your relationships and communication skills. When expressing needs, make sure you use calm words, clear sentences, and you say exactly what you need. Always make sure you use the magic words that we have learned in video 6 when expressing your needs. Say please, sorry, and thank you. When you want to talk about your wants, that is the things that you desire but you can survive without, the extras, use polite words and speak calmly. Use words like please, may I, or I would like to, and please. If you get what you want, show gratitude by saying thank you. Since wants are things that you can survive without, the person you ask might actually tell you no, or you can say that not now, you should come back. If you are told no or to come back later, say okay, I understand. You can even ask when should I come back later, or when can I come back later. So, my dear emotionally intelligent ones, your needs and wants matter, and your voice matters too. When you express them, remember to be kind, respectful, and considerate. Be ready to receive either a no or yes. I hope you have learned something from this video. Make sure you put it into use. Kindly like this video, put your thoughts and feedbacks in the comments, share with others so they can learn, and watch other videos in this playlist for your learning and enjoyment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.